Welcome to the heart of Los Cerritos in Bixby Knolls. This fabulous single-story open floor plan home with newly renovated interiors awaits you. Nestled on a quiet and tranquil tree-lined street, this home has all the modern conveniences one desires. Property features an abundance of natural light with plenty of space to create your own personal touch. The kitchen comes complete with a Viking stove with large exhaust hood, a wine refrigerator, dishwasher, and an extra-long granite countertop prep island that supports multiple cooks. The kitchen also offers upgraded cabinets, a designer backsplash, and walk-in pantry. The living room opens to a large covered patio and green space, giving the home that California feel. The large master bedroom features a sizable closet with built-in organizer. The master bath hosts an epicurean walk-in shower, dual sinks, and private water closet. Both bathrooms boast sleek contemporary lines with upgraded finishes. Two other sizable bedrooms are just down the hall and offer a plethora of natural light. The fourth bedroom can be used as an office or den and offers complete privacy. The house was renovated with all new electrical, copper plumbing, HVAC venting, recessed LED lighting, and security cameras. The home is located within walking distance to Los Cerritos Park, which hosts concerts in the park weekly during the summer months.